Hey peeps, what's up? We are Money-Tize, a platform where we analyze growth stocks having the best potential to compound your wealth. And this is Chankar and AG for the day to get your pockets ready for some touching, if you know what we mean. So moving on, grab for the day is Asian Paints, the mighty Asian Paints. Let's start with the basics first. Asian Paints is a name known to every person in a household, locally as well as globally. It has products ranging from interior-exterior wall finishes, waterproofing, wall covering, home improvement products, and many more products in its kitty. The mighty Asian Paints is the market leader in Indian paints industry with 39% share. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, obviously. Asian Paints is also the favorite kit for many mutual funds like SBI, LIC, and many more, holding on more than 1 or 2% in the company, showing the strength and confidence by the big bucks in this company. The resilient growth in the top line of the company shows exactly that, with ever growing profitability, registering humongous profits year on year like a money train. Its EPS stands best in the industry, despite it being in the old one in the park with new ones entering. As you must be aware of the recent kids on the block, namely Indigo and Birchore, which we can all resonate with, as these are usually the second favorites when it comes to paints. Guess the saying, old is gold, is right after all. Talking about its ability to print cash, it truly remains a cash cow with ever increasing cash flow from operations, which basically means that it's the best in the business when it comes to paint more and more cash while expanding its operations, as our headline said. Aur kya hi chahiye? Now, to answer one of the most important, or shall I say the most asked query, how much debt it has or what's the proportion of debt it has on its book. So the answer is that its debt to equity is decreasing since many years, as you can see here, indicating that a company aims for debt-free status like Reliance did. And we all know what happened to Reliance's share price when it did that.
Alright people, now let's come to the juicy part for what you all have been waiting for so long and for what this video truly is. That करना क्या है, पैसा कितना देगा और profit कितना होगा. So to talk about its past performance, Asian Paints has always registered at least 15% return in 4 to 5 months whenever it has come out of a long weekly consolidation. This return is more than you would get from an ETF stock ever. Talking about what happened to the stock when COVID pandemic hit, it did drop 20% initially, while Nifty was down more than 50%, but Asian Paints, being the mighty Asian Paints, bounced back quick and registered a 30% growth in just 7 months post that. Just believe, 7 months with 30% growth. But this money train didn't just stop there. It further gave 16% return in the next 3 months. And with a boom in housing demand and construction activity resuming post unlock in the economy, it boomed 28% in just 1.5 months. That is, Asian Paint gave 28% in just 45 days. Insane, right? Now to add cherry on top, you all must be surprised to know that despite rallying for the past 1 year, its PE ratio or price to equity ratio remains in line with that of the industry, indicating further upside and opportunity for you to print some more cash. So our final take on it would be to add this money painting machine to your portfolio as soon as possible, because it is all set and ready for growth after breaking out of a cup weekly pattern. So let's get rolling.
Alright peeps, that's from our side for the day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel if you like the content, and drop in your suggestions in the comment box. You can let us know in the comment about companies or stocks which you would like us to analyze and present here for you. See ya!